Today, let's learn how to clear cache on TikTok in 2023. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and clear your cache on TikTok, and it's simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So you're gonna wanna head over to your account profile, and from here, click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and make sure you go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Once you've actually went ahead and done that, there's going to be a bunch of settings that you can actually take a look at here. Now you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find free up space. Now I want you guys to go ahead and click on that. And once you actually go ahead and click on it, you guys can see that the cache option is right here to actually be cleared. So you can go ahead and clear your cache right here, and pretty much that'll free up some space, as well as there is a downloads option, but essentially this is like all your drafts and stuff. So you definitely do not want to clear that, but try to clear the cache and that'll go ahead and free up space. But that's how you go ahead and clear cache on TikTok in 2023. It's very easy to do, but with that being said, that's been this tutorial. If you haven't already, leave a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.